Chris here from White Bulls BBQ. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. It's been a while, but today we're gonna be jumping into some garlic parmesan wings, and it's all brought to you by Bear Mountain Barbecue Pellets. I'm using cherry pellets. It's the only way to go, especially for chicken wings. This stuff is the best. Honestly, guys, when I found Bear Mountain, it was all about the price and it was all about the quality, and they bring you both at the same damn time. So let's jump into this recipe. It's been a while. We are gonna do some Bird Gang based wings using that White Bulls BBQ Bird Gang, as you know and love it. Simple here, we got some flats, we got some drums. We got some seasoning. Let's get it. So first things first, we're gonna season these up. A dry brine goes a long way. Lock them flavors in there. We're gonna sit this in the fridge for at least an hour. And we're gonna let this sit out on the counter at room temperature for about a half hour and sweat all the way out before we throw these on the grill. We're gonna be rocking these on the Traeger today, and we're gonna be rolling at 340. Lock that in. Boom. Doing garlic parmesan wings. Let's get right to it. Smoker set to 340. We seasoned up some wings using Bird Gang and garlic salt. We're throwing them on skin side down. Let's go. Now we're gonna cook these at 340 to 350 for an hour. And we're gonna flip them a half hour through. Skin down for the first half hour, skin up for the first half hour. If they're not quite there yet, we'll go 4 minutes, 5 minutes, skin side down again. Let's go. Let's see what they're hitting for after a half hour. So we got a bowl of some garlic parm here. Some sauce you can get at Walmart. You could either get the Buffalo Wild Wings one, whatever you want to do. We're just gonna coat these real lightly. That's the perfect garlic parm wing right there. It's got a nice sheen to it because it's nice and crispy. Hit it with a thin layer of that sauce. Dog approved. Let's go.